Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. Today we have Kredioo. This is a gel nail polish set. If you don't know who Kredioo is, they are a retailer available on Amazon. Unpolished by Aggie has some videos on this particular brand. From what I can tell, she's a fan, and so I got some too because I wanted to check them out. Create your beauty and style. I do love this box. This is so pretty, and I believe, I cannot recall the exact name, but this is a beach themed kit, and so we are going to do some beachy, watery nails. But let's look what's in here first. All right, we open the box and this is what we see. We have an instruction booklet here. Pause to read. You probably can't with tiny font like this, but I think we, for the most part, all know how gel polish works. And then we've got this thing. Let's take it off. And here are our polishes. These ones in the middle are bigger. We have a base coat, top coat, matte top coat, and nail prep dehydrator. Interesting. A lot of kits don't come with this. I am going to use this. It says non-acid. So I wonder if it is dehydrator and primer in one. I am afraid to just use this and not any of my other dehydrator primer combos, but since it's part of the kit and it says prep dehydrator, I feel like that's what we have to do. All right, so let's have a look at the colors. There are a bunch, and so I am going to go through these as quickly as I can so we can get on to the nail art. Number 1, white. Number 2, ooh, this is like a light pink, but it's also a bit of a translucent. This would probably make a really good nude. Number 3, this is a nice peachy brownie tone, also would work for a nude. Number 4, all right, this one's definitely a deeper brown, almost leaning into like the mauve-y area. Number 5, here we have a glitter. It's just a clear base with a silver glitter in it. I wonder if it's reflective. It's a bit hard to say. Maybe not. Number 6. Okay, this one is a straight up gold. It is not a glitter, it is just solid gold. That's gonna be really nice on something gold themed. Number 7. All right, so this one is kind of like a dusty purple. It's a light purple, but it's definitely dusty. Number 8. This one's pretty similar to the last one. It's less purple, more gray. Number 9. Okay, and this one's a for real gray. It's not even hinting as another color. It's just straight up gray. Number 10. Well, that's a bright pink. If I ever saw one, I would say that is a summery pink for sure. Number 11. Okay, like this one is in the red family, but it's not like a fire engine red. It's more muted, I would say. Not quite as bright. I think the camera makes it look a little bit brighter than it is, but it's a red. Number 12. Okay, so this one is also in the red family, but it's got a bit of a shimmer. It's almost like a gold shimmer. Do you see that? I think that's pretty. These are some really good sunset colors. In fact, I feel like this is called Beach Sunset or something like that. This theme of the box. Number 13. Okay. Here's another purple. This one is more of a traditional purple, almost like springtime purple. Number 14. Okay, here we go with a lipstick red. This one is hot. It's darker than a fire engine red, but it's definitely classic. Number 15. Here's a darker purple. This one is kind of plummy, definitely getting back into that sunset area. Number 16. Okay. We've got us a bit of a chocolate brown here. It doesn't appear to be translucent at all. I think this is an opaque brown. Number 17. All right, so this is back in that gray family, but it's almost sage green, so it's a greeny gray. Number 18. Ooh, this is like a dusty sky blue. It's not quite as pastel as a sky blue. It's just a little bit more, maybe the sun is going down. Number 19. All right, yeah, so this one is green. Definitely an excellent color for vegetation. Maybe if you were on an island. I don't think you can truly see it though with the lighting the way that it is. Maybe I can bring this one in. I can see it, but I don't think you can. Number 20. All right, now we're in that bluey green area. I like this. It's not my favorite color, but I do like it. Number 21. All right, you can see this, right? This one is a dark blue. This is like a dark sky blue or deep ocean. Number 22. I think we could tell by the sticker this one was gonna be glitter. So it is a bit of a turquoisey glitter. It does look a lot bluer in the camera, but it's not a dark royal blue like it looks like in the camera. It's light and it's green leaning. Number 23. All right, so we've got another glitter, but this one's got like a black base, silver glitter. Can you see that? It's very similar to that first glittery one, but instead of a clear base, it is black. Good for the night sky. Number 24. As expected, it's a black. Number 1 was white. Number 24 is black. So we have the complete set here. All right, so now that we've gone through our colors, we're gonna set these to the side and we're gonna do some nails. All right, here we are. We have a guest hand today. First, we're gonna prep her nails to add tips. All right, we've got these nails buffed and cleaned up, so we're gonna wipe them up with some alcohol to get this dust off of here and dry them out a little bit. All right, we're gonna go in here with this nail prep dehydrator that came with the kit. All right, so yeah, this is acting a lot like a regular dehydrator. It doesn't act like a primer at all. All right, so just because I'm not confident in that, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this Model 1's primer because it's what I already have. Okay, it is time for the base coat. Okay, and now that those have base coat, let's go ahead and give them another wipe with alcohol to get rid of that sticky layer. It is not required, but I prefer it because I think it makes it work better. Okay, so these are the tips that we've chosen to use. These are also from Amazon and will also be listed in the description. We've just gotta pick us some sizes. Okay, so we've got those sized. We're gonna go in with this nail glue gel. It's from a different kit I have, but it works well and I like it. And then I have this lamp from the same kit. It is rechargeable and good for flash curing. So that's what we're gonna use it for. All right, so we've got the tips applied. We are gonna go in with another layer of base coat. Okay, so we're gonna take these two actually, the number 20 and the number 18. Remember, this one is a bit green, it's blue greeny, and then this one is kind of a light dusty blue. I want it to be kind of in between. So we're just gonna make some. Let's put some of this out. Okay, so that's looking like a pretty good color. We're gonna apply this to all of the nails for the base color. Okay, so now we're gonna take number 1, the white, and this top coat, and we're gonna mix them together to make a milky white. All right, I think that'll do. Okay, so we've got 2 coats of the blue on here. We've got our milky white made up, and the way this is gonna work is we're gonna take some of this milky white and put us a layer on here. This stuff is thick, but that's okay. So now that we've got that on here, we are going to take this dotting tool and dip it in some just clear top coat with nothing on it, and we are going to make dots on here so that they can start to bloom this white. And now we wait. Alright, so those have bloomed some. We're going to go ahead and stick them in the lamp. Alright, so we have got us some of that water effect. And we're going to go in with number 8 and make some sand. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of this and put it up here at the top. And then we're going to blend it down a little bit, which I am going to use the ombre brush for that. Pull her down so it just blends off into the water, and we'll probably have to do 2 layers of this. Alright, so we've got our sand on and we've got these charms here. We're going to go ahead and start attaching these. For that, we are going to use this rhinestone glue from the cart. Put us a big old glob here and a big old glob here. And then take the top coat, which you couldn't see because it was blurry. We're going to put this on top of this so that we don't have to worry about top coating around that charm. This top coat is super, super, super thick. I think I normally prefer a little bit of a thinner one, but this is the one that came with the kit, so we are using it. Alright, we've got our globs. So we're going to go in with a little bit of a decoration. Want it to be in there pretty good, but this stuff is thick, so it should bury it down a little bit. And then we also have a little star for this finger. Before we move those, I'm going to give them a little flash cure. Oh shit, this one's sliding. Alright, so we've got our big charms on, and now we're going to go in and do little decoration. And that we are just going to stick in with the top coat. We don't need rhinestone glue. Alright, so there is our finished product. We're going to put on a little cuticle oil and get you some photos outside. You may be seeing those now. Let me know what you think. Have you tried this water effect method before? Do you like it? Do you think we did a good job here today? If you haven't done this before, do you want to? And if you have, what do you think I could have done better? Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap that up here. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your interaction, your likes, your comments. It is all greatly appreciated. Definitely do check out Beyond Polish. The link is below. It is an affiliate link, and there is a code for 10% off if you use it. I may get commission, a small one, not a lot, but it's a little bit of something. Check there before you make purchases elsewhere, because sometimes you get the same products for cheaper. Definitely make sure that you are following my socials as well. The links are, for those are in the description. There are sometimes things posted over there that are not posted over here. And then also make sure you are subscribed. We are getting much closer to that 500 subscriber giveaway, and you definitely want to be there for that. But that's it. That is this video. I will see you here in the next one. Goodbye.